Hello and welcome to a special midday holiday Monday episode of The Buzz from channelbuzz.ca. I'm Robert Dutt, and today is Monday, May 18th, 2026. While you're all hopefully back home enjoying your Victoria Day, I'm here live at Dell Technologies World in Las Vegas, where Dell has just announced a major overhaul of its partner experience, betting heavily that AI and new incentive structures will remove friction from the channel. The centerpiece is what Dell is calling its modern partner platform, scheduled to roll out in the second half of the year. Chief Partner Officer Denise Millard says the platform is designed to connect demand signals, sales calibration, deal registration, and partner pricing into a single hub. It delivers an agentic partner experience relying on a new family of AI assistants to guide partners through quoting and post-order support. Critically for velocity, Dell promises this new platform will enable automated deal registration and with approval within minutes, alongside dynamic real-time pricing that reduces the need for partner reps to negotiate by email. The platform will also proactively surface demand signals, using AI to analyze a partner's install base and suggest perfectly timed cross-sell opportunities. On the programmatic side, Dell's launching new incentives in August that align directly with the platform MSP model. A new Focus Accounts incentive will reward partners for line of business expansion within existing accounts rather than strictly prioritizing net new logos. Also, Dell's formalizing a co-sell track that rewards systems integrators and advisory partners who architect complex AI and cloud solutions, decoupling influence from the ultimate transaction. Partners will also see a new differentiated base rebate targeting strategic solutions like Dell Private Cloud, PowerStore, and cyber resilience products. While the partner program announcements focus on how the channel goes to market, Dell's Day 1 product announcements here focus on what they're selling, highlighted by a massive expansion of the Dell AI factory with NVIDIA. For the channel, the most actionable announcement is the introduction of a new DeskSide Agentic AI sandbox. Recognizing that public cloud API costs are spiraling out of control for developers building AI agents, Dell created an on-premise secure sandbox using NVIDIA NIM, OpenShift, and Dell Precision workstations. Dell claims that this local development environment can reduce token spend by up to 87% compared to public cloud alternatives, offering a break-even point in as little as 3 months. Dell's also formalizing the Dell AI ecosystem, bringing validated solutions from players like Hugging Face, Mistral, xAI, Palantir, and ServiceNow natively into the fold. To support these massive AI workloads, Dell introduced PowerRack, a new turnkey rack-scale solution encompassing compute, networking, and storage. Designed for rapid deployment, PowerRack can go from delivery to running live workloads in just 6.5 hours, giving partners a highly standardized, rapidly deployable AI infrastructure offering. There's more information on all these announcements in the show notes or the blog post for this episode, and stay tuned to the site and the podcast all week for full coverage and interviews from here at Dell Technologies World. And if you're a Canadian partner on hand here in Vegas this week, drop me a note. I'd love to have a chat. That's how we're seeing the headlines today. I'm Robert Dutt for channelbuzz.ca. Thanks for listening. Have a great Victoria Day.